spinacephalus. Ngayon, transverse line na, pag ganito yung line niya. Ito yung ulo sa left side, that's the chest and the abdomen, and yung puwet niya nandito sa right. Okay? So, let's start with the head. Inside the skull is your baby's brain. Pantay yung right and left hemispheres. Walang swelling, no excess fluid inside. So, no sign of hydrocephalus. Ito siya nakaharap sa ibabaw. That's the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, and the chin. Intact naman yung upper lip niya, walang cleft. Okay? Yung ngalangalan niya or palate is also intact. So, no cleft lip, no cleft palate as well. At the back is the spine. So, from the back down to the lower back, it's intact. Walang gaps, wala din siyang bukol sa likod. Kahit nagsistretching siya. Ito yung heart ni baby. This is the stomach, that's the liver, and the bladder, all are normal. Pakinggan natin yung heartbeat. Okay, that's your baby's heartbeat. Normal yung heart rate natin, it's 141 beats per minute. Ang normal, 110 to 160. Okay? Yung mga bones ni baby, tugma naman sa edad yung size, so no sign of dwarfism. The fingers and the toes are complete, 5 on each side. Ayan o, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yung kabila, nasa batok na yung isa. Yung nahirapan tayo kayo. Nung diniinan ko dun siya nag-move eh. Ito yung isa. 5 din yan. Okay, yan yung paa niya. Yung toes niya, 5 on each side also. Okay? So, your congenital anomaly scan is normal. Yung placenta mo nasa ilalim. Malayo naman sa cervix, so safe yung location. And yung weight ni baby, normal for age. Okay? Congratulations!
Thank you po.
Ito ko na kung nakita bago. Basa na ito. Cool.